In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Poshmark closet link. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to share their closet with friends, family, or potential buyers. Having your closet link handy makes it easy to promote your listings and grow your network. Let's get started. First, open the Poshmark app or website and navigate to your profile, also known as your closet. On the app, you will see a small icon that resembles a person or a closet, usually located in the bottom navigation menu. If you are on the website, your profile is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. This step is crucial as accessing your profile is the gateway to finding your unique closet link. Once you are on your profile page, take a moment to look around. You will see all your listings and the activity related to your closet. Next, tap the share icon or the tool icon, depending on your device. On the app, the share icon typically looks like a square with an arrow pointing upwards. On the website, it might be represented by a wrench or a gear. This icon is your ticket to sharing your closet link. When you tap it, a menu will appear with several options. Pay close attention to these options as they can help you spread the word about your closet. From there, select Share My Closet and copy the link. This action is often reported as the quickest way to get your closet URL. When you choose this option, a link will be generated that leads directly to your closet. This is important because it allows you to easily share your closet with anyone you choose, promoting your items and potentially attracting more buyers. Once you've copied the link, you will see a confirmation that the link is ready to be shared. Now, let's talk about the format of your closet link. Your closet link follows a specific structure, https://poshmark.com/closet/your_username. Here, you will replace your_username with your actual Poshmark username. Understanding this format is vital as it empowers you to create your link manually if needed. This knowledge gives you flexibility when sharing your closet in different contexts. For example, if your username is fashionlover123, your closet link would be https://poshmark.com/closet/fashionlover123. This makes it easy for people to access your closet by simply typing in the URL. This step is crucial because a clear and accessible link can significantly improve your chances of making sales and connecting with buyers. After you have your link, you can share it on social media, in messages, or on your website. Sharing your closet link opens up opportunities for others to browse your listings easily. This can lead to increased visibility and more potential sales, which is always a good thing. In conclusion, finding your Poshmark closet link is a straightforward process that can enhance your selling experience. It allows you to promote your items effectively and connect with a broader audience. Remember that sharing your link can lead to increased traffic to your closet, so take advantage of this feature. Happy selling!